All right, hello, country bass guitar for you country bass players. I've got a great bass that is under $300, right at $300, and it's ideal for country music. It has such a thick, fat sound, and it's just a solid bass. And this is the Music Man sub-series right here, the Stingray. And man, if I drop some flat wounds on this bad boy, it would be nothing but ready for country music. It's ready for it now. I mean, this thing, this is ready. I mean, the most popular bass in country music is the Fender P bass, but the Music Man is definitely right there with it. It is right there with it. You will see it used a lot. The Music Man itself, the $1,800 to $2,000 bass, is definitely will fit the country bill, but this will too as well. It's not missing anything that the Music Man is, and it's like I say, it comes in right at $300, so you can't beat it. And it's got a nice smooth neck, maple neck. I mean, it's made in Indonesia, but it's still Music Man's not going to put out something that's not to their standards. They're not going to jeopardize their name for the lack of something. They've built a brand and they've built some quality stuff, and they do build quality stuff, and they're not going to jeopardize that for nothing. So this bass right here, if you've got a country bill, then this is what you want to get a hold of. This bad boy fits the bill. You've got your notch here, so you can you can roll off the highs and the lows, however you want. Not a lot going on there either. You got your highs and your low right there, and then you got your volume. So, simple and effective, and that's what you want. Now, like I said, if I had flat wounds on here, it would really sound even more low and just a thick sound, which you're looking for country music. Listen to that low E. Now we roll off. So right now, right in the middle. Got it set right in the middle. Okay. Okay, let's roll off some of the low end. And it's not even that bad. Okay, so then we'll give it, okay, we roll off all the low, back off all the high. All right, let's go all in. Let's go all, okay. So let's go all high now. So definitely, you know, the perfect country bass within a budget. So that's the Music Man, Sterling by Music Man, the Stingray, the Sub Series. A lot less than your Music Man, you know, but this is going to get the job done, and it's a great country bass. It definitely has everything it needs, the deep low end, and it booms. The one thing, it's constantly active, so you've got to keep your battery in there. You know, you've got to keep it. Got to keep a fresh battery in there, or it's going to lose something. But when you've got a fresh battery in there, that bad boy this thing will it's got some punch to it. It's got a lot of punch, which is perfect for country. You need that punch. You know, you need that punch in a country bass line. So that's it. This thing will get it done, and like I say, under 300 bucks, right at 300 bucks. Don't, you know, sorry about that. It's right at 300 bucks, but it's perfect, and it's pretty too. Look at that thing, man. I've always wanted a Music Man, and this is, you know, this fits me perfect. It's lightweight. You know, it's got a nice, nice thin neck to it. This maple, I've always been kind of against maple necks, but this one works good. I think it's just that it's not. It has like a satin finish on it. It's not so glossy that it's tacky at all. It's just a smooth neck. It's a fast neck. And it's, you know, everything I gotta say, I love it. So for you country bassists, this is the ideal bass for you to keep you in. Like I say, the Fender P bass is the most popular used. It's got everything you need, but you know, it's a little more pricey. This isn't as pricey at all, and it gets the job done as well. So that's my take on the Music Man for you country bass players. The country bass guitar to get on a low budget is this right here, the Sterling by Music Man, the Stingray. So hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, hit that like button, help me help you, and I'll catch you all on a flip flop in the next video. Bye now.